Hey, Peter here from BlackRock Business, and today we are going to talk about customizing the small price tag, the teeny tiny small one. All right, before we do that, don't forget to click the link below and join our QuickBooks Point of Sale Facebook group where you can ask questions or bring up errors, and people like me or other point of sale users will help you out with your problems. And while you're here at YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can get all of the new videos that will tell you how to do all of the awesome stuff in QuickBooks Point of Sale. Now let's get into it. On the File menu, we are going to go to Tools and then the Print Designer. On the Print Designer, we are going to choose Inventory Tags. In the Inventory Tag template list, we are going to go up to the Intuit label small. We are not going to modify the regular Intuit label small because we want it there later in case we screw up our custom template. So we're gonna go on the options menu and choose copy selected. This is gonna create a new template which we can screw up as much as we want and not even care about. Now, how about that template right there? If you ask me, that is a pretty ugly template. That has always been my feeling when it comes to this small template. I do not like how it looks. I don't think it's very pretty, and I don't think it adds to the aesthetics of your store. So down here we have the item number and the barcode. Then we have the price that's inside of a gaudy looking box. And then we have the size and attribute, as well as the item name. If you use size and attribute, you can keep these here, of course. I'm gonna get rid of them. I am also gonna double click on the barcode. It is using the 20F5IL. Okay, that's actually pretty good. That's the one I prefer. The other one's harder for the barcode scanner to read, so that's great. I, of course, also like to pull the barcode much wider. That'll spread out the bars and it will make it so that your barcode scanner can read it much easier. Try and keep it centered. I am right now going to move the product name down. I'm gonna stretch it out as far as it can go. It looks like it already is. And if you were wondering how I was moving that, I'm using the arrow keys on my keyboard. I'm gonna double click on the price. I'm gonna boost this up to like 18 and hit OK. And then I'm going to also go on the border tab and get rid of that clunky looking box because it's clunky looking. And now we are burying it, so I'm gonna move it up. All right, it's getting to look better. And then I think I want to add, what's the deal here? There we go. I want to add a text label, and I'm just gonna do, this is the ultimate store, something like that. The name of your business, maybe, you know. And this is gonna take some messing around with. I'm gonna put it at a 12. I'm gonna find a real snazzy font. The snot font, right? Ultimate store. That might be too big, but I was planning on putting this up at the top. Oh, that's way too big. Let's see if we can move everything down. Nope. We are running out of rooms, folks. Running out of room. Maybe not that font. It's kind of a big font. So, you know, you just want something that fits your aesthetic, fits your store. Maybe if I didn't have such a long store name, we'd be all right. Oh my goodness. Ultimate store. It almost fit. I'm gonna change the name of my store to Neat Stuff. It's kind of a blocky font. All right, move that up, move this down. Well, okay, you'll notice that when I'm trying to move this up now, it's like bumping it down automatically. And there's a setting under the Preferences button that says to snap overlapping objects to their edges. We're gonna undo that so that I can move stuff a little closer. Something like this. All right. That might be a little crowded, and if it is, we can make it smaller, but that's the idea. You can move stuff around, you can add static text like that. You can also, if you feel like, I mean, this is a small tag, so there's not much room, but you can also add data fields, which would be parts of your product that you've filled in, such as, you know, the MSRP price, what vendor it came from. You can use a little 3-digit code there for your vendor, UPC number, the sale price, department code. I don't know why you'd want to tell them when it was printed. I guess if you have stuff that goes bad or something, you could print actually on your tag when it was printed. So if it was printed 2 months ago and stuff only lasts 2 months, like food, it's time to get rid of it. That would actually be a pretty useful field if you're dealing with stuff that expires. So there you have it. Lots of different stuff you can add to a tag. And then when you hit close, it's going to ask us if we want to make this tag the default template. And I'm going to say yes. And then I'm going to call it the neat stuff template. Neat stuff small, I guess. So we close it, we go to our item list, and we choose a couple of things such as this and this mug and the super pants. And we're going to hit print tags. And we are already on neat stuff small. And I just want one copy of each. Hit print. Okay. Now, we may have also wanted to center our item name. We can see that it is off center here. There we go. So you can see we got our store name, our price, our barcode that's nice and big so we can scan it, and the price. And there you have it. It says neat stuff on every single tag, so it's very obvious where these products came from when somebody bought them. And there you have it. We have customized a small tag template. My name is Peter with BlackRock Business. Thank you for coming on this exciting adventure in customizing your price tags. Bye.